Good evening, everyone. I'm John Garlock. After nearly 2.5 weeks of testimony, the jury in the first-degree murder trial of Seth Techel has now started its deliberations. The defense finished its summation around 4 this afternoon, and the case was handed to the jury just after 4:30. Jurors finished their work for the day a little after 5, and they're expected to be back in the jury room around 9 a.m. tomorrow. Before getting the case, jurors heard closing arguments. Up first was Assistant State Attorney General Andrew Prosser. Prosser told the jurors that despite what they've heard from the defense, the evidence shows beyond a reasonable doubt that only the 23-year-old agency man had the means, motive, and opportunity to kill his pregnant wife in May 2012. Prosser spent 2 hours leading jurors through the state's case one last time, hammering away at the defense contention that Lisa Caldwell Techel was murdered by Brian Tate, the Techel's neighbor. Prosser posed the following question to jurors about Techel's actions in the early morning hours of May 26th. Prosser says Techel knew Tate wasn't the killer, and his reaction that morning proves it.
Why isn't he saying, go get him now? He's there. He just ran out my door. Do it now. But no, it had to be Todd Caldwell who did that. After seeing his daughter dead. But not the defendant. He's concerned with getting his work called.
Prosser reviewed the electronic communications between Techel and his would-be mistress, Rachel McFarland, in the weeks and days leading up to the murder. The texts indicate Techel had told McFarland that he was planning on ending his marriage in the hours before Lisa was murdered. Prosser pointed out that Techel only acknowledged the relationship with McFarland after he realized investigators already knew about